Did you know that fighting cavities can be as simple as using natural remedies found in your kitchen? Today, we'll uncover the ancient secrets of oil pulling and the powerful benefits of clove for oral health. Let's start with oil pulling. This ancient Ayurvedic practice has been around for thousands of years, known for its ability to detoxify the mouth and improve oral health. Oil pulling involves swishing a tablespoon of oil in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes, and the results can be incredible. Coconut oil is most commonly used because of its antibacterial and anti inflammatory properties. Here's how you can do it: take a tablespoon of coconut oil, swish it gently around your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes. Spit the oil into the trash, never the sink, as it can clog pipes. Rinse with warm water and brush your teeth as usual. This simple habit can remove harmful bacteria, reduce plaque buildup, and leave your mouth feeling fresh. Next, let's talk about clove, a small but mighty spice. Clove contains eugenol, a natural anesthetic and antibacterial compound that's perfect for fighting cavities and soothing toothaches. Clove oil or ground clove can reduce pain, inflammation, and even fight the bacteria causing cavities. Here's how to use clove for dental care. Mix a drop of clove oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil. Use a cotton swab to apply the mixture to the affected tooth or gums. Allow it to sit for a few minutes, then rinse your mouth with warm water. For a DIY tooth powder, mix ground clove with a little baking soda and use it as a natural toothpaste for added protection. Both oil pulling and clove are natural, affordable, and effective ways to keep your teeth and gums healthy. With consistent use, you'll not only fight cavities but also improve your overall oral health. Ready to transform your oral care routine? Try these remedies and let us know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mindful Zen Nation for more natural health tips.